Okay, guys, real quick before I start this video, feature Zach here. We didn't even, I didn't make an intro. Don't know what I was thinking, but just went straight to the first time lapse. So right now, as I'm editing it, this is kind of our intro. We're gonna get right into the video, but we're gonna start right with the time lapse. So if you guys were just curious why we're just like, whoa, we're throwing everything in right away, we're starting off with a time lapse, and then we'll get to the video. But here we go. Guys, if you can't already tell, we've made a lot of progress. So if you look at this over here, we've got a lot done. Like, I don't know if you guys saw last video, but my GoPro died like earlier in this, and we were working on that over there, and like, oh my goodness, we've got a lot done in the last few days. So let me quick get you guys caught up. So right here, got the new bike rack. We had that piece of slat board right here earlier, and now we have this new bike section, which will be really nice. We'll have all our tools here. Still have to order a few more things. Got like our greases and all that. Got some master links up there, and that's looking beautiful. So where we left off earlier in the video is we were working over here. Got this mostly-ish done. Still have a lot of work to do. Got those mounted up there. A little miter saw station. Got that leveled off. And yeah, it's all made out of scrap wood. It's pretty cool. Got all of our wiring mounted up under there. All of our chargers. And then we started sorting out all of this stuff. But yeah, this is basically where we're at right now in the video. And we're gonna keep going on from here. We're hopefully gonna get all this done today. So I have to sort through all this junk, and like, there's just been a lot that's built up here over the years. And yeah, we still have a long ways to go, but we're gonna work through and get this all done. So anyways, before we go on any farther in the video, I actually have an announcement to make. So we've been looking for sponsorships. And if you guys know anyone, or you run a small business, or you work for a small business or a bike company, or anything, reach out to me. I'll link my Instagram in the description. Send me a DM. You guys are completely free to do that. Leave a comment. We are looking for sponsors now. So we currently work with a few people. We work with Seek Jesus, really cool company. I'll leave another link to their company. They make really cool sweatshirts, and you guys can get 10% off with them. And we're also now working with Box Components. We are on their Level Up program, which is really cool. So right now we're working super duper hard, trying to get sponsored by them. I think that'd be really cool. But yeah, if you guys know anyone, I'm actually looking for a sponsor. So it's kind of like a self-ad, kind of cool. But later on in this video, well, actually like right now, we're gonna start working on this right here. So I didn't feel like buying like $400 park tool bike rack or whatever. As cool as that'd be, I can't really afford it right now. So we got this cheap thing off Amazon, like $37, something like that. I can link it in the description. But that right there is gonna work really nicely. We're gonna make a nice wood base for it, and we'll have a pretty sturdy bike rack like right here to work on our bikes. And then can quick run you through what I've done to my bike. So a few things right here. I have a Cannondale Trail 7 because this is all I could afford a few years ago, and hopefully we'll be upgrading this year. We'll see what happens if I get a sponsorship, maybe. I think it'd be really cool. So anyways, took this 1x right here, put a 1x7 on here for now until I can afford to get a 1x12 or 1x9 from Box Components. I think a Prime 9 would be really cool, so might be upgrading to that soon. New fork on there, Suntour. It's pretty basic coil fork. Eventually upgrade that. Got new bars on here, and yeah, and new wheels and rims. But that's about it for this bike for now. Also, if any of you guys are interested in buying this bike, let me know, and I might actually sell and upgrade it eventually. We'll see what happens. But yeah, anyways, let's get back to building over here, and I'll keep you guys posted. made progress. A little, well, actually quite a bit. We got the bike stand done, which is actually pretty cool. So I mounted it pretty high up, as you can see, like it's decently high up. And that's just because this thing is, I believe it's non-adjustable. Might be able to go up and down. I'll have to check that out later. But anyways, you always can hang it from your seat post, so that's gonna lower the bike a little bit. But for the design, piece of plywood down there, 2 sheets right there, hold this up, 5 inch by 5 inch. And then made these little spacers here and then screwed that all together. So it's more than supportive to hold this all up. And this bike stand's gonna be going right here once you get rid of this whole, whatever you call it, just the mess of trash that's probably gonna get rummage shield. So that's pretty nice. So now I think we're gonna move on to finishing getting all this counter cleaned. Ooh, cat, hi. But yeah, we're gonna finish getting this whole counter cleaned here, clean up all that, and then we should be able to call it good. So yeah, here we go. Time lapse number 3, 4, I don't know, we're somewhere. Okay, so quick update. I just realized that this thing right here actually goes up about 1 foot. So yeah, I'm gonna chop it, probably chop about here, or maybe here, a few inches lower to the ground, because then we can still have it this high, but we also can have it down lower. And because right now, if I raise it up, it goes like way up there, and I'm not 7 foot, I'm only 6 foot. So yeah, that's smart. And I was thinking about my bike. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really like it. Geometry in the Trail 7, beautiful. 29er, might actually change into a mullet because mullets are really fun. Well, I'm gonna change geometry. Anyways though, let me know what you guys think I should do with this bike. Right now, I have a few ideas. If I do keep it, I'm gonna throw probably a Fox 36 on here, but that also costs a lot. Might get a new air fork for it. I think that'd be really cool. And then change it out to the Box Prime 9, and put a 1x9 on here if I save up for that. And then also, I don't know, if I get a bike sponsorship, that would be amazing. Really hope I can make that work out with some company. But if not, I'm thinking about going with the Specialized Status 1. Great budget bike. It's $3,000 right now. Full suspension, Fox 36, 1x12, I believe, on that bike. It is, it's a good bike for the price. Or the Stump Jumper Alloy is also a really good bike. And if any of you guys are wondering how I know so much about bikes right now, and I'm only 16 and I got all this stuff, it is actually because I am currently hired as a bike mechanic over in a small bike shop in Stevens Point, central Wisconsin. So yeah, it's really cool. But let's get on to shortening up that like a few inches shorter, and then we can go over here and clean up all of this. And guys, I don't know if you're as excited as me, but right now we are, what, April-ish right now? Almost, not quite there, we're close. Bike trails, they're coming soon. I am super excited. Riverside, we're getting it done this year. Spend what, 3 years, 4 years now building trails up there. This year we're gonna get more filming done, more videos, get it all out for you guys. You guys can come rip the trails in a few months. Like, we're gonna have them open. It's gonna be sick. We're gonna have Fade to Black, Twisted Timbers, and A-Line, all named after famous trails and, well, kind of our own trails as well. But it's gonna be super cool and really excited to get out there, show you guys all the trails, what we got going on out there. And yeah, really hope you guys all stick along for the adventure. A few other quick things. I'm doing a lot of talking. This is a really good bike video. We are also changing over to more mountain biking stuff. So as you guys know, during the winter I do snowboarding, and the season's not coming to an end over at Granite Peak. So we're gonna be going over to biking. Long videos, YouTube shorts, bit of disc golfing mixed in there because I also really enjoy it, and I have some friends it's really fun to play with. It's kind of a good break. But mostly mountain biking coming this way. Stick along for the channel. So let's do that, and here we go. Okay guys, another quick update. So add another little support piece there. Got it shortened up. Looks beautiful now. Got a decent amount actually cleaned off of this. Added in these new little shelves here. I'm gonna try keeping that nice and clean up top. And we can add like some decorations and, well, not decorations, but like channel stuff. Like stuff that happens in the channel. Eventually 100,000 subscriber thing right there. Be beautiful. Actually, probably going in my room, but you know. Anyways, that looks beautiful. Did a little bit more over here. Mounted some stuff up, or stuff. Wait, why can't I say this? Stuff up on the wall. There we go. And I found this super old nail. It's big. Like, I have big hands and it looks big. Got it all nicely polished. Yeah, it was all rusty and dusty and crusty, and now it looks beautiful. So I'm gonna use this, stick this into one of the beams over there, and then we can hang all of our hand saws. So that's looking nice. It says how beautiful. We're making progress, people. At the end of the video, make sure you guys stick around to the end and you guys can see what this looked like before, because I took some pictures before I even started the videos. It was nasty, but now it is looking amazing. I love this so much. But guys, while we're here, make sure you guys just go down, like, subscribe, turn on channel notifications, leave a comment. I reply to every single one. Don't know if you guys know that, but I've replied to, I don't know, 2,000-3,000 comments through the last 2 years. Yeah, I'll go through. I'll reply to every single one. I love talking to you guys. It makes my day. But yeah, let's keep going. Gosh, guys, we finally finished after what? Now 3 weeks of working on it. I know for you guys it seemed like 10 minutes or 12 minutes, but no, it's been a legit 3 weeks of me grinding out here and just getting it done after work. Okay, final reveal in 3, 2, 1. We got so much done. It looks so much better. I'll quick post you guys a picture of what it looked like before, but look at this. Got our new bike rack, got the entire new shop put in. Like, this is insane how good it looks like before. Like, none of this was here. This was like a rusty, dusty, crusty old table that's now over there, gonna get rid of. But oh my gosh, this looks so much better. Like, we still got stuff to do. Like, all that stuff needs to be cleaned up and under there, but it's like a heck of a lot better than it was. So yeah, yeah, it kind of blows me away how much better this looks from what it looked like a few days ago. So yeah, so okay, thank you for anyone that actually made it this long in the video. There's probably about like, what, 2 or 3 of you guys. If you guys did, leave a comment. Let me know that you guys made it to the end of the video, because that's like, I love you guys. Like, that's what makes it amazing. And you guys actually made it this long. But see you guys in the next video. Make sure to leave comments, any questions or anything about any of this, because I know we did a lot in this one video, and